Good day! We have just reached the 1,000 subscribers mark and we're very happy about that. Thank you all for subscribing, and we decided to make a Q&A video because we get a lot of questions in the comments, and I've grouped those by the topic. And the first one is I wish there was a walkthrough videos of each model. Photos don't always help put the actual size into perspective. And the next one, would definitely like more video walkthroughs. Next one, please do more videos like these. So we get it a lot. Right now it's a winter time and a lot of our homes are currently being constructed, and in the spring we will do more video walkthroughs. For the winter you'll just have to accept our educational videos. So the next one, the big topic, yeah. How much this house cost? What is the total cost of the house? What is the final cost of your Trio 100? Well, this question we get the most, and about total cost of a finished building, there can't be one answer because we do ship worldwide, and shipping cost can be different. Groundworks can be very, very different. If your house is on a slope, the foundation or the basement will cost more than on flat land. The price also depends on your preferences on interior decoration, the materials you choose. But as a rule of thumb, I could say that the final cost of the houses we have shipped have been between 800 to 1,200 euros per square meter, or $80 to $120 per square feet. So 100 square meter house or 1,000 square feet house should be budgeted about 80 to 120,000 euros, or roughly 90 to 130,000 US dollars. That's all I can say about it. So next one, what do we, could I get a copy of the budget template, please? We did a video about budgeting and I promised a budget template and I forgot to add it in the video description. It's fixed now. So if you check the video description, you will have the link over there for the budget. And while you are over there, hit the subscribe button as well. Thank you. Do you know what kind of taxes will you pay in the US as a new construction, I guess? Well, honest answer would be I don't know. There are some import taxes which are not expensive. I believe the last one we sent, the customer said he had paid $400 or something. So these are not really high, but I recommend to check out our local partner's website. That's www.avrameusa.com, and inquire them. They will know better. Is there any options where the living room can have the ceiling open to the top floor and have a balcony looking down into the living room? Can you alter floor plans? Yes, we can alter floor plans. The only load-bearing element in A-frame is the A-frame itself, so it doesn't need additional support. It doesn't need any load-bearing interior walls, so we can play around with the interior walls quite a lot. And yes, we can have open ceiling and add decks, dormers, balconies, skylights, stuff like that. So inquire us for our design service and you'll get your house modified to your liking. So next one. I'm keen to get one over to Australia. Oh yeah. Can you ship to Australia? Yes, we can. Can you ship to Canada? Yes, we can. US, of course. We can ship worldwide. We have a partner for manufacturing in US, for US and Canadian and Mexican customers. And from our factory here from Estonia, we can ship to almost any location. A-frames, they come flat packed, they are very, very compact. We have shipped houses to South Korea and Azores Islands, and so we can ship worldwide. Very interesting. Can this be built in Canada? It can be shipped to Canada and also be built in Canada, yeah. Someone doesn't like our video. That's okay. If you don't like our videos, let us know in the comments. We will improve, maybe. Yeah, show more of finished buildings. We'll do in the spring. Please subscribe to our channel, so when a new walkthrough video pops up, you'll get notified. Is living off-grid really affordable? All needs fulfilled. I mean, energy and heat for living, I can have off the grid and I can have a job. Yes, you can. I live off the grid already 4th year and I do have a job. Yeah, it's possible. Go off grid. And we get a lot of questions about heating systems. Which type can I use in A-frame? Well, A-frame is a regular timber frame home, so all heating systems are possible. It really depends on the fuel source you have available, but we will do a separate video covering heating systems and energy efficiency. I hope your question got answered as well. If not, leave it in the comments and we'll answer this as well. What should I say in the end? I hope you are happy with our answers. If you're not happy, we do recommend you to be happy.